The first step that you do, kind of prepping your hair for an updo in order for it to keep the style. Best way I've found to do that is to apply a mousse, like a volumizing mousse, when you have your hair wet and you're styling it, because that will stay in the hair like a hair memory. So when you go to style it, will hold the style longer. So when I washed my hair, I just went through my normal routine, leave-in conditioner, serum, and then I usually put a volumizing hair mousse like this one. So I applied this one 2 days ago, the Leonor Greyl Mousse Owl Lotus Volumitrace. They're a French hair brand. I really love them. I find the products they have like a boutique feel to them. They really work well. They smell amazing. You need just such a little amount. And I really feel like it's contributed to my hair health. You don't need tons of products for this kind of look, but I do find doing a hairstyle really is in the products. It's really just finessing the basics. First step is kind of sectioning hair. Make sure you have the sharpest middle part. This is a edge comb from Sally Beauty. Section off probably like a couple inch section. Basically you're getting like an inch or two of the hairline. I'm gonna look crazy. It's up looking kind of crazy, doesn't it? I'm gonna gather the hair up into like the point we kind of want our pony. I like to put it right on the crown of the head. We want it going up like this. An elastic into a pony with this ponytail. Separate it into 2 pieces, and then like you're tying a knot, but not an actual knot, just once and then once more. It creates this like bun with a couple pieces on either side. I have a bag of small thin ones, like that clear elastic band around. Those 2 pieces are still sticking out. It kind of looks like a little bit of a braid. And then we're gonna use some bobby pins to secure that in place. So these little, try and turn around so I can show you. Okay. These little circles, I'm gonna kind of bring out and secure a few points just to make it look full, basically. We're gonna take this crazy looking piece out. I'm using a boar bristle brush, which I find works the best at adding shine and getting bumps out of the hair. Also kind of just healthiest on the hair. This one's from that same brand, Leonor Greyl Heat Protectant. Obviously now I'm going in with some heat. I like to just spray my hand with the heat protectant and then run it through the ends. Curling iron I'm using Conair. Bouncy little curls like that. Actually use it more than I do other curling irons. Okay, perfect. I feel like we are just looking a little crazy every step until the end, and then it just looks like so good. Even if it's just a teeny tiny little curl, it's showtime. Spend money on bobby pins. They're a lot better and gentler on your hair. I like the Goody silver ones for my hair because it almost feels a little unnatural because it's like I'm putting up a pony, but with a weird small amount of hair. Brush that hair into your hairline, twist it almost, more tension. Have that bobby pin ready. I probably only need one. And then those little pieces hang out and it just looks like you did this all in one piece. And just shove it right into the rest of the hair. Some of these are tighter than others, but that gives you different heights. We're at the final steps here. I'm just using some of this modeling balm, separating my curls, twisting them a little bit. You can see it kind of just defines the curls, separates them, and have them kind of floof out a little bit. Rubbing a little bit through my fingers to make sure these sides are sleek. The very last step that I do to keep this style together and looking flawless, add some hairspray just to keep everything in place. So along the sides, just so there's some light hold, just a little different than what other people are wearing. I think it's beautiful. You can see how beautiful and elegant it is from the back. That is the end of my hairstyle tutorial. This chic event style type hairdo. I do not know what to call it. I'm just obsessed with it. It looks elegant and chic. Don't forget to like this video down below and follow me here at hall_ward on YouTube. And don't forget to head over to Instagram as well and follow me at the same handle over there. I also have a discount code for Leonor Greyl products if you're interested in using specifically some of the products that I talked about. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week and I'll see you next time.